formally close our ceremony, we would like to invite Engineer Rizalino C. Cabajo, Regional Manager of the National Housing Authority, Region 6.
Before we formally close this momentous occasion, let me congratulate the 213 beneficiaries of PPU 153 as you are now recognized as recipients of the Certificate of Entitlement. Congratulations. On behalf of the National Housing Authority under the leadership of GM Jobin A. Thai, I would like to express our deep appreciation and sincerest gratitude to our valued guest, Honorable Secretary Engineer Si Ramon P. Aliling and his party of the Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development, and to Honorable City Mayor Raisa Triñas Chu, including City Councilors Miguel Triñas and City Councilor Malabor, for your giving your precious time gracing this significant milestone. Your presence is deeply honored. We wish also express our sincerest thanks to the PIAC members, namely the Iloilo City Local Housing Office headed by Attorney Peter Jason Villari, the PIAC Chairperson, Region 6 headed by RDNP Eva Maria Marfel, PIAC Co-Chairperson, PCUP headed by Ms. Sheila Saplago, DNR Region 6 headed by Regional Executive Director Raul L. Loleria, represented by Ms. Sonia Himutia, along with the HUA, hand in hand, let us continue working collectively and persevere to meet head-on the challenges in the pursuit of realizing fully the intent and purpose of PP 1538. As administrator of PP 1538, the National Housing Authority values and relies on the collaborative effort of the PIAC members in the realization and implementation of the said PP, thereby securing the tenure of the beneficiaries of the piece of land they have been settling for a long time. This milestone is a significant step towards realizing the dreams of our beloved Ilonggos owning a land they may call their own. To the PIAC Secretariat and members who work tirelessly in the beneficiaries' identification, validation, and verification, thank you so much for the effort you have put in. And to all who share their time and effort to make this occasion successful, thank you so much. To the visitors, thank you for your presence. To formally close this program, let me share the saying by the famous motivational speaker, Helen Keller. She said, and I quote, "Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much." Thank you, and God bless everyone.
Thank you very much, Regional Manager Engineer Rizalino C. Cabajo. We would like to invite our guests from the Central Office. For a small token from the City of Iloilo, we'd like to request also Mayor Raisa Triñas to give the token. So, we'd like to request Secretary Bertie Aliling to be here in front. Please, Sec. God bless.